Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful morning. This is the column of Constantinople and beautiful mosque in the background. Very old, we're talking thousands of years, which is amazing. And I'm going to show you later something very cool that I want to show that's going to be very cool. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum seem to be pulling back. I'm going to do technicals on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and in the next video, I'm going to do Bitcoin and Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Any requests you have, let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see right now we're getting a little bit of a drop on altcoins in the market. We're all down 6%, Doge down 4%. Altcoins are dropping. Nearly all of them. All of them are dropping right now. Ethereum down 2%, Bitcoin down 98,800. But remember, it is the weekend on Sunday when the ETFs are closed on Sunday night. So I don't really take those into account, to be honest. I think these are, I wait till the Monday ETFs open because the big buying pressure is the ETFs. The big selling pressure is everyone else that had Bitcoin the whole time. So you can see big cup and handle here on Bitcoin. The target of this cup and handle is the main target that I'm going with. This one here. If we measure it out, this is the main target that I'm watching for Bitcoin here. And if I measure out the cup and handle, the target is 100, and there's a few other targets, but I'm going to mainly make this one the main target. It's 107, which we're very close. On the weekly, we've got the weekly finished the candle, and it finished with a big bull candle on the week. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy. JamesCryptoGuru.com, you get in Crypto Mastercourse. Fired a buy in 2023 in February at 20k, still a blue buy now. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy 5 weeks ago, has not yet fired a sell, which is good news. It didn't fire a sell on that weekly close. Squeeze mob still going up, everything's still going up. On the daily, stochastic a little bit turning down, but again, it is the Sunday night, and this is the time they can use to attack the market. We hit 101,000 last night, and then the last few hours it is dropped, but you can see there's a clear channel here on Bitcoin. It's traveling on this channel between 99k, 90k, 104k, 97k. Let's go closer into the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, you can see the last few hours we're having a big drop on Bitcoin. The last 4 hours from 101 down to 98. But in my opinion, this is a good time to buy when the ETFs are closed, when people are trying to sell, because the normal people are selling into the ETFs right now. And then when the ETFs are closed, they're not buying. So I think you can get a good bounce back. If you're lucky, I would try to take the trade from 97,247 if there is a little bit more of a pullback. And then I'll take it to the target of the cup and handle. The cup and handle, actually the target is 107. So I'll take it there because there would be a big resistance there. So opening at 97,176, stop loss 96,600, risking 573 to make 10,000 per Bitcoin. So risking 573 to make 10,000 per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, it'll be 100,000. That's the trade. 17 risk to reward ratio. 578.3 to make 10,000 per Bitcoin. With no leverage, 10x leverage, it will be 100,000. That's the trade I take on Bitcoin. And right now, I'm currently in trades on Bitcoin. You can see my account 1235. It pulled back a little bit from last night. Last night was 1260 on this Bitcoin Ethereum drop. Up this week from 1029, so still up 205k this week. This month from 779 to 1.23, so up around 500k this month, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin, so you can see Ethereum has dropped off from that 4,000, but still up a lot since we bought it, which is amazing. You can see my trades down here. My Ethereum trade plus $52,000 in profits, and the funding fee on Ethereum right now is 0.01. So the funding fees have reset. Sundog down a little bit on Sundog trade. It was positive 3,000, but on this drop, it is pulling back. It is the meme coin on Tron. I'm going to keep it open just because I think meme coins come after Tron and Ethereum and Bitcoin. So this could have really big push. World pulling back a lot, actually. This World trade was much more in the profits. You can see World pulled back quite a big drop on World from $4.10 down to $3.50, 6% drop. Funding fee quite low, but that trade was big in the profits. Pulled back, still 28k in the profits, but pulling back a bit. And Bitcoin 38,700. I bought at 90,000 on the last 2 Bitcoin buys when it spiked down there and my trade added, but getting a big drop in the last few hours in the last 4 hours from Bitcoin from 101 down to 98,700. But funding fee has fully reset on this drop, which is awesome. Let's go into technicals now for Ethereum. Ethereum 3913 on the daily charts. Let's go on to the weekly. On the weekly, it's still in this massive symmetrical triangle. The base of the triangle is the target, builds pressure and breaks out, but it broke out too early in my opinion. The base of the target is 7,500. Crypto Guru Bot fired a buy 2 weeks ago. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy 5 weeks ago. Both of them still in the buy. Volume is increasing, not decreasing. That's good news. The last 3 days volume has decreased on the weekend, but that's expected, and you can see this clear channel. It's coming close to where I set the trade yesterday, and I would keep that trade 3836, stop loss 3705, take profit 7,500, risk toward 28 times, risking 131 per Ethereum to make 3,700 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $37,000. 37. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Opening 3836, we're very close, and stop loss 3705. Now we need to watch how the ETFs, what happens when the ETFs reopen. If we don't get a strong bounce back and a strong push out, that's a danger sign. If we bounce back very strong when the ETFs open, that's a good sign. So I've got to watch it very closely. I'm going to go into Telegram now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the videos. You get a 60K bonus with Bybit, this link down here. It's the best exchange for trading, lowest fees. If you're being liquidated on other exchanges, this has the best liquidity. Weex gives a $200 sign up for UK, US, and Australia. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the free Telegram. And you can join the Telegram in there. And you can see in Telegram right now, we have 281 of you online. People worried about this drop. People discussing liquidity collecting every Monday, the same thing in the mornings. Liquidity will collect and only then go up when the ETFs open. I agree, to be honest. If there's more requests for Superverse, I will do it. And you can see somehow unusual without the morning video from Guru. Yeah, sorry, it's different time zone, but it's coming just 1 hour a bit later. It's still 6 o'clock in the morning or 6:30. These are the upcoming events. Thank you for sharing it. Great information. Thank you for supporting the community. You'll get $100. Thank you for informing the community. You win $100. Anyone that supports any tweets, any messages, and posts in Telegram, any of this stuff goes in the chance to win these kind of giveaways, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links are down below. And yeah, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. And in the next video, I'm going to try and do Bitcoin and Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I'm not worried as long as the ETFs are closed. When the ETFs open, if they don't push up, that's when I'll be worried. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.